A small but powerful company that has gained competitiveness by boldly challenging the impossible area with a strong spirit and superior technology. The company that opens up new vistas in the market of future tubular components and materials. Since its founding in 2005, MS Pipe has grown as a company that specializes in a high carbon steel pipe of heavy wall thickness and an alloy steel pipe of high rigidity, and has grown into a hidden champion in the steel pipe industry based on core values of quality management, labor management relation, and human respect. MS Pipe Factory No. 1 operates ERW tube lines that manufacture up to 3 and 4 inch. Factory No. 2 operates a manufacturing line of ERW tubes that are used as rebars in construction sites. Based on many years of experience and accumulated technologies, Factory No. 2 also designs and produces ERW forming rolls. Painting and post-processing of pipes are conducted in Factory No. 3. Vietnam branch manufactures industrial machineries. The U.S. branch operates sales targeting in the North and South American markets. MS Pipe manufactures carbon steel pipes for mechanical structure, general structure, sprinkler, piping, pressure piping, and fuel gas through this organization. In addition, MS Pipe have accomplished the domestic development of heavy wall steel pipes and high-strength steel pipes through bold challenge and investment in impossible areas. Our reputation as a substitute for seamless pipes is well known to domestic market as well as to overseas. MS Pipe has 3 ERW tube lines, M-line, S-line, and P-line, which are designed to manufacture high-grade steel pipes of heavy wall, high strength, and alloy steel. MS Pipe tries the best to improve molding, welding, and bead removal technology. Accumulator, also a storing process, flattens out the raw material in shape of wound coils. It stores and continuously feeds the raw material to the production lines, shortening the processing time and saving time to connect the raw materials. Forming is a process that changes the shape into a circular form by inserting raw material into a series of roll stands. Welding is a process of heating the edges of the raw material. By applying high-frequency current and physical forces with squeezing rolls, melted edges are pressed together to shape a pipe form. Sizing is a process that shapes the welded pipes into the final shapes required by customers. By giving products a constant reduction, it secures the roundness and required sizes. The pipes are then cut to the length desired by customers. Each end of pipes are chamfered to give a smooth cross-section. Any bead chips inside pipes are removed by auto-removal process. All pipes are inspected by online eddy current test that detects any surface defects. Any residual magnetism on pipes are removed during demagnetizing process. Every MS Pipe products are packed and shipped after the final quality inspection, and the products of MS Pipe are focused and specialized in high-strength steel pipe and heavy wall steel pipe. Especially, we are producing automobile parts with ERW steel pipe in replace of round bar to achieve weight loss, and we are manufacturing steering shaft, propeller shaft, camshaft, upper shaft, rack bar, tie rod, axle housing, door impact beam, suspension link, shock absorber, etc. We are also producing cylinder, cylinder rod, bushing, and hose assembly, etc. for materials of pneumatic and machinery parts. We are manufacturing accumulator, compressor cases, etc. for air conditioner. In addition, MS Pipe manufactures fire sprinkler pipes in size of Schedule 7, which is registered as our own brand new Superflow by lightening the weight of Schedule 10 products, which are worldwide standard. Also, MS Pipe developed reinforced steel pipe products with POSCO, which are used as rebars, lattice girders, and rock bolts. MS Pipe's production system is an order-based small quantity batch production system. After being processed, the products are supplied to a variety of applications, such as auto and electronic part manufacturers and construction companies. MS Pipe is always working to develop better products. We are constantly striving to develop the highest quality products and technologies by carefully examining them through various tests and measurement facilities. MS Pipe will continue to provide the best products based on accumulated experience and technology, and will become a world-recognized global company in the steel pipe industry. MS Pipe, that shares from small matters together, also knows that happy members make a happy company. Honest mind and sincerity for our customers. We will not settle for the present and will continue to make more than the value of iron based on the excellent technology. MS Pipe.